What's up? Zach Button over here, and I'm playing Flappy Bird. As you can see, I'm going to play it. Okay. I know what it's about and everything, so don't mind me if I scream. I'm doing pretty good. No! Dang it! Why? Oh, don't mind that. That's nothing. I didn't play. You see, he flies normally, and then all of a sudden he flaps. Dang it! Why? Yes. This is an amazing game. You should definitely play it. I don't recommend it. I meant to do that. Okay. This time, no mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Why the crap would you not fly? Why don't you flap like... Flap, you piece of crap!
Is he on the computer? Are you all done with the...
I can do this. No, I can't do this.
show and then
Okay. Dang it! Okay. No. That was a very good game. If you ask me, I really don't suggest it, you see. Those, like, few minutes or seconds, however long that was, you see, that was the freaking worst minutes again. I hope you guys are happy. Goodbye, my homies.